Here in the light. Here we go, folks. Changing an alternator on a 98 Mustang. We went to the junkyard and we got another alternator. $40. We will soon see if it works or not. Let's hope it works. Came off of a
04 Mustang.
An 04 Mustang, and this is a 98, but still was a 3.86. Alright, I'll turn you back on when we get this off. Alright. Had to go get a brand new alternator. I guess the one from the junkyard did not work or did not fit. So that was that. No crying over spilled milk there. Yeah, we'll put this one on top. By the way, this is a 13 and the one down here on the bottom is a 15. Yeah, right. Oops. I would break out the air tubes, but it's more of a hassle than it's worth. The wrenches are here right now, so I'll just use the wrenches for the time being. I usually just like to get it snug there for a minute and then get the other one. Tighten the other one up. Okay. Sometimes it's just easier to use your fingers. But if you do this all day, every day, by the end of the day, your fingers will be sore. Let's see. Down like that and over. Okay. Yep, no problem. Okay. Right there. Let's see. Get that in there, just like that. Put the bolt bolt on, nut on rather. And just tighten that nut up. And I guess this goes there. We go. And why would they put the locking part towards the back here? I have no idea, but that's Ford for you. And that's it. That's installed now. The only thing left to do is route the belt back up this way. Right over it. Under. Okay. We finally got the belt on. It wasn't too bad. I don't know if you can see that. Right down there is the tensioner. Pull that back. Made sure that the belt was running the right way, and all that's left to do now is turn it on, and we'll see if it works. Oh yeah. Oh my God, I forgot to connect the battery. Oh boy. Well, I heard a spark, so that should be good. Let's see if it works now. Oops. Alright, seems to be running good. So, let's check to see if it is charging. Well, it's hard to do with one hand, folks. And there we go. Let's see. Maybe we could get it better. Connect it to the negative. Now this, I'm going to connect to the positive. And all these lights should light up. And there it goes. It's all lit up. So, it's charging, it's working, it's beautiful. Alright, that's all, folks.